Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at an independent deck called Avisomnia. Hopefully I am pronouncing this correctly. This is a tarot by Orla Bird, who was kind enough to send it to me to share with you all. So thank you so much, Orla Bird. And this retails for 45 euros or about $48.61 in dollars in the US. And like I said, it's independent. So as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can purchase this should you want to. And whilst you're there, I do have a link tree that will provide you all of my social medias as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. So check that out if you haven't done so already. Now, with that being said, we are going to dive right in. I am so excited. This is a nice quality box. This is actually the 3rd edition, so that's really fun to see. All right. Oh, pretty. Okay. Oh, cute. The presentation is so nice. So we do have a guidebook here, the 78 cards, and then we do have the Pentacles, Cups, Swords, and Wands. So Avisomnia, that's how you say it. Avisomnia, which is Latin for the bird's dreams, is a tarot deck based on the symbolism of the Rider-Waite deck, except with different imagery. Major arcana archetypes are presented as interconnected organisms with eyes as symbols of a preference, while minor arcana feature 4 different kinds of imaginary plants, 1 for each suit. Oh, awesome. And then it goes into the cards and their upright and reversed meanings. Oh, cool, 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 cool. Okay. Oh, and it does give you specs as well, which is really cool. So there's the card size, the paper stock. That's really nice to see. All right, let's get into this. I love the presentation. This art style looks really nice, really different and fun. Love that back. Okay, let's talk cardstock here. Oh yeah, it's a matte, but it's flexible. It feels really nice and it snaps back. And it's a good size too. I like this size of tarot for my hands. We have a border. It looks like we're starting off in the minors here. How fun. All right, so it looks like it's going to be a Tarot de Marseille type of a situation here. So we have a pip minor. I like how they are executing this though, because it does look like it's representing the energy of the card. It's not just, you know, symbols. Yeah, I like this. I like the soft colors as well. I think that's a nice choice. It's a different kind of feel in the deck. I have a nice archway here for the 4 of Wands. Oh, I like that. This feels like a minimalism kind of deck, but also with a slight gothic twist, if that makes any sense at all. Kind of like pastel goth. I love that. That's so cute. Okay. Oh, we got swords next. Okay. I really do. I noticed the salamanders in the court cards, and now we see the clouds and the butterflies here for the sword suit. That is a great little detail. Ooh, we have a lightning here. What do we have over here? Have a bird. Yeah, okay. I really like this. So we have the swords, but we also have this new growth here showing that, it may be the end of something, but it's the beginning of something else. I love that. And then we have what could be tears, it could be rain. Oh, this is fun. I mean, as far as creativity goes. Yeah, these are making sense with the energy of the cards' meanings. I am enjoying this a lot here. We have a snake. We have the water down there. I like this. This is a great example of how you can do a Tarot de Marseille type minor with it being still readable and it not just still be symbols for those who like a little bit of help with intuitive hits or with the meanings of the cards. Oh, I like this too. Wow. Right on. Okay, what's next? We have cups. I love the jellyfish. Oh, we have a mermaid there. How fun. Very pretty. I do enjoy the color palette that is in these cards. It's almost like feels kind of like a modern 70s vibe. I don't know how to explain it, but like especially when this kind of a motif is going on, it reminds me of the retro. Oh my gosh, I'm dating myself, but yeah. It feels modern and fresh, but it still has that nostalgia to it as well. Ooh. Oh, that's cute. It's little bubbles. Oh, cheers. Oh. Pentacles. Now we have the grapes. Love it. Oh. Oh, would you look at that? A little one's budding up here. How cute. We have the roots here, hands. I love that. That is so fun. The flowers are really pretty. Ooh. All right, now we're in the majors. Oh, I love this. Oh. How pretty. Oh, that's very interesting. I love that symbol for the death card here. Just cycles. Love that too. Cute. Oh, the little mushrooms. Cute. Okay. Let's see how it shuffles. Yeah. Very flexible. So it's very nice to shuffle with because you're not fighting the cardstock. And it shuffles fine this way too. All right, let's get a card to read, please. Okay, we're going to read for the Six of Swords. Just a reminder. Okay. All right, Six of Swords. So I like that it gives you the little card right here next to it. So you can definitely refer back to that imagery as you're reading the information here. So upright, moving on, departure, silent transition, change, learning a valuable lesson. Reversed, resistance to change, unfinished business, and being stuck in the past. Well, right on. Okay, I just wanted to see anything else in here. Okay. Okay, so final thoughts. I think for the price as an independent deck, I feel like this was very well done. I think that the type of art style that it is might not be for everyone, but it is very fun, creative. I think there's something here that's valuable. I like the imagery. I like how they used the minors. I feel like there's a lot of information just in the minor imagery alone. It doesn't necessarily have to be a full scene like we're used to at the Rider-Waite-Smith, but something like this is easy to read the energy with in a minimalistic way, right? So like I said, it might not be for everyone, but it is a refreshing take on a deck. It's not super floral. It's not super animals. It's kind of a nice in between. It's not harsh on the eyes. The quality of everything is really nice. Would I love more in the guidebook? Absolutely. But it's enough information to get you started if you're in a beginner or any level really of reading. And it's enough there to get you to understand what's going on. The only thing that I would say, I would love to know more about the character or maybe like a reason why you, the flower was chosen or the plant, just because I'm nosy and that kind of adds to my experience with the cards and interpretation. But that's my only complaint really. They shuffle great. The feel of the card is great. The cardstock is fantastic. The colors, like I said, I really honestly don't have anything negative to say about that. So I would now love to know what your thoughts are. Is this something that you've seen before or is this new to you? What do you think? Do you like it? Or is this a deck that you would pass on? Let me know everything down below in the comment section. Thank you so much to Orla Bird for sending this deck our way. I really do get a kick out of this art style. I think it's fun, whimsical, and a little dark and twisted, but in the best way. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. Don't forget, if you haven't done so already, to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. And it really helps the channel and me out too if you do so. And obviously you watching the video is fantastic enough. So thank you again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.